So this morning I wanted to talk to you a little bit about backgrounds. So there's two birds there that are up to partly completed. One has got more drawing on than the other. You can see them at different stages, but one is on black and white. So I wanted to talk a little bit about the backgrounds. So hopefully you've got access to some coloured papers and some different types of things, but here's some choices that you might have. It could just be that it goes on a plain white background and you do your feet in black, your legs and feet in black. But obviously you will see from some of the examples that I have posted that it's quite nice to look at some coloured papers and backgrounds. So if I come back to this bird, I thought this colour was quite nice on that paper. And I probably then would do black legs. You can see on that one I did white legs because I think it fitted in with the road streets on the map there, and that one I did black to tie in with some of the drawing I'd done. Now with the black and white bird, that's giving me a few more options, and actually because I cut this one, so the backing for this you can see is from this map. So that's where I took the back from. You can see how it partly joins up. That gave me the shape cut out. So I thought that could look quite nice, trimmed down and then mounted with a black border. So it could be that I place this bird back into that space. Obviously when it's glued down it would fit well. And then I would draw the legs onto there. The shape does fit a little bit better. It's just, I can't hold the camera and do that. So that was one option, and then I could put the legs on and that would give it quite a nice effect. The other option is I can put it onto a black backing. Again, when it's stuck down, it'll look a little bit better than that, and I could do white legs. But I also thought back to the work of Charlie Harper, and if we look in his, he often has things that look like branches or some plant forms and stuff. So I decided that I would, using my white gel pen, have a go at creating something that was sort of something slightly similar. So I did use a ruler for this guy. As you can probably see, there are some curves, but there are some rulers as well. To do the little dots up here, I just used what was a label of some clothes. So I used that and placed it on, and then just used the gel pen, the fine liner, in that area, so you can see, and took it away. At school we often have we've got the little circle thing, but this is just like you, I'm at home and I have to sort of make things work. So that then could work. I haven't drawn but you then start to place the bird on there, and I think it starts to work quite well. Now when I've stuck it down, I might add a bit of, I would do the features on the bird, and I would put the legs in white. So that could look quite nice as well. And what I'll probably do is do a sort of a bit of both for you so you can see afterwards. I also have this paper, which has got a bit of a design on it. If I go in a bit closer, so you could work with that. So that sort of ties in with the flowers that are on the bird, with the sort of floral border. So you could do something like that. I've probably just about got room for the legs on that one. So hopefully that gives you some, if I pan out a bit, some ideas on how you can develop a background area for your bird. Hopefully that will help.